Here we go.
Okay,
What's going on, guys? Stepping Stick, Narwhal Games, Fast Food Force 2, whatever you want to call me. This is one of the most chaotic intros I've ever done.
Did you just say Narwhal?
Narwhal Games, yeah.
Let's go Narwhal Gaming.
It's such high quality video device. Or is
I know. Wait, is it capturing your webcam?
Oh, yep. Nope.
Okay. No, it's not.
Capturing Discord.
I should probably make it capture your webcam.
It'll be fine.
Wait, so it can. Oh, so it can see your cam. Okay.
I don't want to mess with my desk too much because Pikachu needs to be fixed.
You should put another light, because it's really dark for some reason.
It's my desk. I'm blocking the light. Actually, wait. Where is it? ¿Dónde estás? Ah, derecho yo salgo. ¿Dónde estás? Oh, I dropped one. Oopsies.
I just figured out how to pirate Steam games.
Yeah, Steam Unblocked. You just figured that out?
Yeah, you have to go on a website. I'm not promoting this, but you have to go on a website or a thing called Space War, I think.
Steam Unblocked? Alright, I'm gonna show this on camera. I put a literal flashlight on my headset, so.
Wait, do you not have a shirt on? Oh, I thought you didn't have a shirt on. I was like...
And I curved towards the shirt. Alright. Which one? We'll start... I hate the monkey, so we're gonna take that one. Take that one first. No specific reason why I hate the monkey, but... Alright, now if I am right, it should be take the mana off the back. So we got... Boom Bam, that...
Free QR code, guys.
And Stone Energy.
Free QR code. All right.
Duskull.
I gotta flip my head.
Fair.
I gotta flip my head.
Pharaoh Seed.
Okay.
Riolu. Solid. Sandile. Okay. Whalmer. Okay. Wash Energy.
Wait, these aren't the 25th anniversary ones, right?
No, they are not. These are
okay.
Normal packs.
Oh.
Energy, Ferrothorn, go. Okay, cool.
Bad first start.
Yeah, because it was the monkey. Alright. Now, which one do I hate the most?
Wait, I'm gonna show my favorite card because I bought some too, and I inspired Landon to spend $130 at Target today.
I went to the local comic shop, which is way cheaper.
Oh yeah, true. I wonder if there's a comic shop where my grandma lives.
Chilling. Bing Shilling.
Bing shilling.
What Pokemon?
Wait, let me turn on my webcam.
What Pokemon is that?
That's the evolution of Kubfu.
Oh shoot.
I don't remember its name though. All I know is
Battle Skies is the set name. I hate the
Oh, is it?
So I guess we'll do that one next.
Alright, so this is my favorite card that I got. If it would what is it doing? Hello?
Hi.
Okay, yeah. This is my favorite one I got right here.
Pikachu.
And then another one that I got that I really like is
Pika.
a Lugia.
Lugia's nice.
There.
Nice. Let's go Owen.
Oh, win.
Now back on to me.
And then the duplicates I pulled, I'm sending to Landon, and he's doing the same today for me.
Darkness
So the
Ablaze.
duplicate. Pause. I get them.
Where's the trash? Where am I putting the trash? I'll put it right here.
Put it on my.
Jeez.
Hey, I don't have to go to school tomorrow, so.
We got the code.
Oh.
I Parasect. You know, I don't care. Lyron? Is that the special one? No.
No, the special one should be
I think
lost.
it's 4 off the back. Yeah, it's 4. Because the last
Okay.
one's Beachin. What? It's a little seawater Pokemon.
Do you flip your camera upside down? Thanks. There you go. All right.
It's gonna fall off if I hit my desk too hard. So.
Don't freak out if you think of the card then.
Alright, I'm gonna put the energies all in one, the normal cards all in one. You're welcome, internet. There better be fart porn of me someday.
Why do you want that?
Just like Pokemon.
You know Pokemon got banned on Twitch for watching Avatar?
Let's go!
But she's unbanned.
I want to hit my desk, but I know how that's going to turn out.
Hit
Alright.
yourself.
No, thank you. Energy Pro.
Energy clicks. Let's go.
Uh,
Energy Ronaldo. You know who that guy is?
You know what? Just because there's only one, I do not. I will do Celebi.
Energy Ronaldo's the guy that went, doing the stinky in the open.
I hate video game.
doing the stinky in the open. Another card you can pull is the original Charizard. Apparently it's in this one.
We got the Piggy Boy. That's going to trash pile. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. All right.
Alright, I'm going to the TCG website to see what cards you can get.
Boom. Don't tell me though. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Oh wow.
Boom.
You can get it.
Eevee. Woo, kissing that one later.
Wait, can I have that?
Memory capsule. Oh. Nah, it's nothing good. Maybe
There's
it's
a
fine.
lot. If there's an EV Espeon in this, you're giving it to me. There's actually a lot of cool cards in this. Oh my god. Yeah?
Put those with
There's an Umbreon!
You sound way more excited than the guy that actually bought the pack.
No, the thing is, it's a shiny Espeon. It's an original shiny Espeon from 2000.
Wait, is that the Celebrations pack? Or which one? Which one?
This card. The Celebration Pack, that's in there.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not opening Celebration pack right now, so.
Okay.
Suck.
You can keep opening them. I'm gonna go get my McDonald's.
I'll save the bro. All right.
Save the best one for last. Well, I'm gonna open the ones that suck first.
Thanks. I'll be sure to do that. We'll do Chilling Region just because it's an okay legendary. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's aight. But like, overrated as fuck. Maybe. Code. Probably can't even see it. So. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 off the back. I'm gonna go. You know, we'll do 5. And if that doesn't work, we'll go back to 4. I think I effed it up. Echoing Horn. Karen's Conviction. Who's Karen? Single Strike? What does that mean? What's Single Strike mean? Single Strike. What is... Okay, I spoiled it for myself. Woo! Crylegs! I guess I'll wait for Owen to get back to show him that. Yeah, that's 4 off the back. Guaranteed. Delbird, Larvesta, Mareep, Heracross, Cloptopus.
I got my McDonald's.
Woo! Okay. Yep, that can go in the normal card pile.
I got.
Kaikuna.
I
What
got-
does first
alright.
strike mean? Or single strike? Rapid strike? What the...
Alright, you want to know what I got?
What?
I got a Coke, fries,
Daikon.
a crispy chicken sandwich, and a chocolate chip cookie.
Solid. Hey, you want to know what I got?
Don't tell me you pulled a good card.
Whoa!
Woo!
Krylex VMAX.
Never seen that card.
Neither have I. That's why it's going in the special one. We'll do Chilling Region again, since that seems like a good pack. I'm not famous enough to start cutting packs, so I'll leave that to the
No.
retards. Or, I'm
Leave
sorry,
it to me.
Special eds. Got code, and it's 4 off the back. I realize that now. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here we go. We got Lightning Energy. We got
Nobody cares
Lightning
about-
Gloves. Porygon 2, solid card, putting that off to the side. Kakuna, single strike. Heracross, single strike. Castform, one of my more cooler favorite Pokemon. Hatina, Rockruff, yeah, I'm a furry.
Put it under the.
Ooh, oh, sheesh!
Put it under the camera more.
What?
The cards.
Rockruff.
Bro, ooh.
We got 2. We got Quillfish.
Okay.
It's I believe that is a normal hollow. Yep. And we got Lycanroc, a reverse hollow.
Let's
Sicky.
go.
Scratch my balls real quick. Alright, onto the Darkness Ablaze set. Alright, trash. We got code. Bam bam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. We got Energy. We got Yellowhorn. We got Ursing. We got Poltergeist. Larvesta. Moonlure. Toxel. Skitty. Rowlet. And Kangaskhan. Along with Gothitelle. Kangaskhan.
The hot goth girl. Pretty good pack.
Pretty good pack, indeed. Alright, finishing up the Darkness Ablaze set, we got this one. Trash. Got the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off to the front. Off to the slave trade. You go. Elvis. Solid. Rykit. I don't know how to say that name. Heat Energy. That's going off. More Energy. Shelmet. Okay, Pokemon. Pampor. Solid. Teddiursa. Okay. Rookidee. D's Nuts. Torchic. Hot. Wishy-Washy. Alright, and we got Swanna. Wishy-Washy is going in the hot.
One of these nuts. One of these nuts, them.
Alright. Last one of the main packs. We got Battle Styles. And it's the Kubfu Evolution VMAX on the cover art, which is honestly my favorite cover art so far. I sound like such a virgin doing this stuff, bro. Oh, and none of my school friends find out about this.
That'd be funny, dude.
Got code. Burning that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off to the front. You know, I should teach for a living. Oh, wait, I do. Energy Recycler.
Teach what?
Martial arts. Goblin these
Teach how to get some bitches.
Alright, that's the end of the recording, guys. Electabuzz, Baltoy, Giblar, Bronzor, Lucky My Balls, and Shrumpa. Okay. Expected more from that set, but, you know.
You got one good card.
One. Who knows?
If you pull the Umbreon, I'm leaving the call.
Well, we have this many to get through, so. Good enough. Alright, you pick which one we're going to do first on.
The fifth one in the fifth one from the start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright.
That one's got to be an Umbreon.
If it's not, I'm killing myself. Or,
I hope it's not an
I'm killing
Umbreon.
myself.
Huh?
Can't say shit on YouTube. How you open these?
You try CSGO.
CSGO?
What?
What?
It means it's a good pack. It's a green code. That means it's a good pack. Who is calling me?
Alright, how many from the back? 1? We're gonna do 1.
Hold on, do this card. I'm gonna be.
Alright, guess I'm on my own here. Professor Research. Solid. Discard my hand. Kyogre? Shit! Xerneas? Yoo-hoo! That's solid. Oh my lord. What? These what all the packs are like? Oh my god.
Who's get?
They're all reverse hollows. Groundon, Xerneas, Kyogre, and Professor Research.
So now you have more Groudons and Kyogres to store.
Mm-hmm. These are all going. You know what? We'll put these off to the side as just regular packs. Along with these reverse hollows. I only got 2 reverse hollows from that, which is interesting. Professor's Research. Very important work. Alright. I picked this one. Do these 2. And I don't think it's any from the back. I honestly don't know.
I don't think it is. 'Cause you get good cards no matter what.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Trash. I'm gonna fill up a landfill. Code.
You know the Japanese ones only have 1 card in the pack?
That'd be. Well, America bigger or better. Reshiram. A Zekrom. solid cards. You know, I'll take that.
You got that Pikachu, me got Xerneas.
Woohoo! You're going with the rest of them. You 2 are coming with me for advanced research.
Classic.
I don't want to hurt these cards.
You could pull a lot of good cards. Actually, really cool cards.
All right, well, alright. Zekrom, blah blah blah, Kyogre, blah blah blah. Mew.
Hey, that's the one I have.
Sheesh.
Sheesh.
Mew. That's a pretty good card. Except I didn't ask.
What?
I don't know. Pull.
Oh my! I'll touch it.
Ah!
Oh, what if someone's watching this on the family room?
Well, you should have thought better before watching 2 teenagers on a family TV.
Bro.
All right, Cosmium. You know I got Lugia, Ho-Oh, and Professor's Research.
A full art one. Wow.
Hey.
So cool.
I don't think I'll need your duplicates, by the way, unless they're ones I don't have by the end of this.
Who am I supposed to give them to? I'll give it to the kid down my street that likes Pokemon. How about that?
I'm struggling with opening these packs, man.
I give this kid the Pokemon cards to transfer and think I'm a pedophile because I'm going to be luring him with Pokemon cards.
Reshiram, Dalgia, Claydol, another fat Pikachu.
W.
These are all Versalos. That's sick.
Claydol's been in the game for that long. For the series.
Dude.
Hold on.
Oh my god. Alright, back to Just Us. Let's hope I get a good one. I really hope you made it this far in the video. 18 minutes. What a long time to watch someone else unbox stuff. That's not yours. That code, blah blah blah. Palkia, Dialga, Cosmium, Mew. Solid.
What'd you get?
I got Mew. I only new one I got was Palkia and Dialga.
Oh, nice. Dialga these nuts?
Doesn't make sense. Palkia. I'm gonna guess it's another Palkia Dialga.
Okay, wait. Start from the beginning.
Palkia.
Yeah,
Original
Team
Team
Rocket.
Rocket. Reverse Hollow.
okay, and then what's the last one?
Flying Pikachu.
Let's go!
that
A
good?
secret rare! Yeah, it's a secret rare.
Woo!
Pretty sure it is. Let me look at the full art cards you can get.
Don't spoil anything I
I'm
have.
not spoiling them, but pretty much all of them suck except 1, 3.
Any full art I get is a good one. Yveltal, one of my favorites. Lugia.
Maybe I should...
Oh my god.
What?
Gardevoir EX.
Oh, that's a cool card.
And then Professor's Research. I'll put
By
that
the
on
way,
side.
just saying this, I'm buying it on Sunday just so I can pull the Umbreon. I want it.
How many good cards are in this set? Like, a lot?
Pretty much all of them.
Cool.
You know what I should do? I should dang it. Are you gonna be
I'll be on Sunday and later Saturday because I have work. I have to host a birthday party.
so Wednesday, Thursday you're not gonna be on?
What?
So Wednesday, Thursday you're not gonna be on.
Not Wednesday, but I'll be on Thursday.
Okay.
Imposter, Professor Oak.
Oh!
Another flying Pikachu.
Oh!
I'll send you one of those.
Let's go.
Put that right there. Zekrom, Cosmog. Let's go get. I want to get the full evolutionary series. Let's get Solgaleo and Lunala. God, I hate opening these. God.
This guy's toasters got banned on Twitch for watching Death Note.
I know. That sucks. He was one of the funnier. Never mind. Cosmog. I was gonna say something racist. Palkia. Fat Pikachu.
Love you.
Oh, you're on the Dutch. WD-40. You know, I'm gonna start a Twitch channel called Channel 45, and I'm just gonna broadcast Rec Room as a news reporter.
Just going around asking
That's
people
what I was doing
questions.
last night without actually, like,
Uh-oh.
live. That's actually how it originally got banned for 4 days.
You went around asking people about the global economic system of America.
Racial economics. So Galeo! Woo! Jesus Christ.
What?
Oh my lordy lord. I'm opening this with ease now. Oops. Get rid of that. I see a full art. Palkia, Ho-Oh, Groudon. Another flying Pikachu!
Wow! Woo! The third one!
So secret!
Yeah, that's not the secret rare. I know there is one. I wonder what the secret rare
These
is
are opening
in
a lot
that.
easier now, which is interesting.
Ugh.
Trash. Got a bundle. Okay, too late. Mew. Ba ba ba. Oh! Hey, on.
Let's go!
Woo!
You got the cool card!
Woo! After opening this many, I better have gotten like more. Better get more, I mean. What do my lives come down to? Mew, blah blah blah, Ho-Oh, Palkia, Cosmog. Ooh, ah, hype died down. Oh, Groudon. Code. Blah blah.
Hey, Landon,
Groudon.
did you know,
Oh! Surfing Pikachu VMAX.
Yes, sir!
Yes,
That's
sir.
the other full art, that's good. Oh, you gotta get 2 more full arts, and you got the other 2 good ones.
All right, we have 3 packs left. You choose.
Oh, yeah, actually, the middle one.
All right, starting off normally with a Dalgia. Kyogre.
Dalkin these nuts.
Kill yourself. I mean. All right.
Unalive yourself.
You chose a bad pack. Just saying.
Alright, let me pick again. It was a fault. Wait.
God.
Landon, let me pick again. I'll pick a good one this time, okay? Pick the first one. The left one. Closest to the Pokemon cards. Yeah, that one.
This one is difficult.
Oh, I just farted.
I could tell
Did you hear that?
a little bit. Well, Shitty Pity came out. Code. All right.
Let's go. Oh,
Groudon.
Groud again.
Cosmog. Good. Venusaur original. That's sick.
All right, what's the last one?
Professor's Research.
You got a new card finally. Woohoo! All right, you got one more pack left. One more, and I get to. I'm scot free, and I get to go use the bathroom.
Oh, what a nice journey this has been.
Of getting duplicates beyond duplicates. You've got so many. You haven't pulled Umbreon yet either. Maybe the Umbreon's a secret rare. Is it? Let me look at the bottom right. Yeah, it is. It has the star. It is a secret rare.
Alright. Code.
Come on. What is that?
Palkia. Alright.
Palkia.
Reshiram.
Oh, it doesn't look that good. Oh, come on. This is our last hope to get a good card. This is our last hope. Come on. You should just cut it off if it's a bad card. Wait, you should just cut it off.
Where's my knife?
Your
I'll just
knife?
rip it in half.
You're just gonna rip it in half, okay?
Clearing the stage.
Clearing the stage probably for a bad Pokemon card. It's probably duplicate again. Come on.
God. Alright, I'm holding it this time by hand.
You're holding. Okay. Wait, you gotta flip. There you go. Alright, now you gotta flip it. Come on, Lenny. Come on.
I'm not gonna look at it.
You're not gonna look. Okay. Wait, I'll tell you. Wait, show it up. Oh, it's actually not that bad of a card.
Oh shoot! Zamazenta! What did you get?
Not that bad, brother.
Wait, which one did you get?
What V card did I get? Uh-oh.
Yeah, was it the sword or the shield one?
I think I got the
Zacian,
shield.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the shield one then. You got the sword. All right, let's get a quick recap of what we got here. Of all the
Nothing
ones.
good.
I mean, I did get quite a few good ones. So, all right.
You do the recap. I'm gonna go use the bathroom.
No. We're gonna wait till he gets back. All right. What's up, guys? So, I ordered a little light up thing, like a little Pokeball, right? That you put on a pedestal and it lights up when you turn on a switch. And it is right here. I believe it is pretty cool, right? It's an Eevee inside, one of my favorite Pokemons. I'm not sexually attracted to them. I don't think. Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And yeah. I also ordered one of those giant big ol' plush things. A Snorlax one. That's like 6 feet tall, 6 or 5 feet tall, I can't remember. But it came today. I didn't really check the height, just because I wasn't expecting it till like the 18th. 18th to the 8th of February. Or 18th of this month. What's today? The 11th, yeah.
The 11th.
Yeah, the Snorlax thing came.
Oh wait, really? Wait, you should show it.
I
real
have
quick.
to buy the stuffing though, so
Wait, show it real quick.
it's upstairs. Alright,
Dang it.
recap.
Recap. Sussy Professor Oak.
Putting this in my mouth.
Sussy
Alright, here we
Professor
go.
Oak. Wait, what the? I can see your toes. Yummy.
Alright. Yo, what?
Let me see.
Nah.
It's not picking me up sniffing.
Yeah, maybe that's for the best on. Alright, set this thing up. Nah, you threw up. You 100% threw up.
I didn't.
Alright, this will have to do.
Okay.
So, we'll go from latest to... Yeah. We got Zacian, Shield Pokemon. I'll do the lesser ones first. Imposter, Here comes Team Rocket.
Among Us.
A full hollow Gardevoir EX.
Okay.
I got the Zacian. Alright. We got the Venusaur.
Let's go, penis.
We got the Surfing Pikachu VMAX. Birthday Pikachu. Flying Pikachu. Fat Pikachu. Flying Pikachu. Flying Pikachu. Fat Pikachu. Fat Pikachu.
Got a lot of fat Pikachu.
Professor's Research. Xerneas. Krylex VMAX. The Special Greninja. Pikachu VMAX. And Pikachu V.
You're gonna have to send me that Greninja so I can get it graded. Totally.
We're gonna be filling these up.
Are we sleeving them now?
Yeah.
Oh my god! That is a lot of garbage. Holy shit! Oh my! Wait, you recording this on? I thought you were recording on Streamlabs for some reason. I don't know why.
It's still going on the floor until I clean it up later. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love being dirty. Oh, yeah, get on the floor. Oh, you better stay there. Yeah,
No.
stay there.
It's
What's up? Yeah? What's going on?
I wonder if I bring my mic. I wonder if I pee, it will pick it up. That's where we end. That's where we end the video.
Yeah, you know, I think that is where we end. Yeah.
That's where
Bye,
we end.
guys. Goodbye.